Where do you donate your books? It's a really good question. You got to do a little bit of research. So let me help you to find some places that could use your books. I'm Sherry Borsha. I'm a Simply Productive, and I've been helping my clients donate books for over 2 decades. And I can tell you, one of the toughest things to declutter and donate are books. So let me give you some resources on what to do with your books that you're going to donate. Now you can see I bought some books and they don't fit up here. These are for my business books, and when I have a designated area for a specific topic, when it gets full and I buy some new books, I do apply the 1 in, 1 out rules. Once you've decluttered your shelves, you want to make sure you get the books out. If they stay in your home or in your office, I guarantee they're not going to go anywhere. Books are also very heavy. So when you have your pile of books that you want to donate, use small bags or small boxes because they get heavy very quickly. So who am I going to donate my business books to? Sometimes I'll donate them to a friend, a colleague. I can donate them to my local library, and I can also find around my community, we have these donation bins. They're just small little ones in residential neighborhoods, and I know where they are, and I will just go and drop them off. I have them in my car. I will take a few and donate them in those. You can also donate books to your local library. Find out when they have their book drive, mark it on your calendar, set those books aside that you're going to donate, clearly label it, and then when the day comes, you can donate those books. If you have rare books, you may want to donate them to a university or a college, and we will do research based on the topic of the book and find a local business or a nonprofit charitable organization that would benefit from those books. If you have kids' books, you can donate them to school libraries, you can donate them to after-school programs. Do a little research, ask around, and you will find that there is a big need for underprivileged kids who don't have the resources to buy books. And so what happens with some of these programs, they will let the kids take the books home. Donate books to your local senior libraries. They have senior centers, and there's also senior living complexes. They have their own libraries, and they'd be happy to receive. Just give them a call ahead of time and find out what types of books they're looking for. You can also donate books to your local penitentiaries. They have a huge resource library, and they're always looking for books, especially in multilingual language. Recipe books, where do you donate those? I don't do a lot of baking anymore. Sometimes I buy the recipe books because they look pretty and I think I might bake something out of it, or there might be some recipe books on the appliances that I got, and I don't use those anymore. When you're going through your books and deciding what to donate, go through the thick ones, the ones that don't open very well. That's one of the reasons why I never use them. And so I am happy to donate those and pass them on. So I will donate them to friends and family. I will find a local charity that has book donation bins and I will donate them there. What about coffee table books? How many of those do you have? Sometimes they look nice and then they fade and they don't look good anymore, or they don't fit in with your current decor. Time to let those go. Donate them to your local charities, libraries, design, fashion schools. Just do a little research. Donating books to good causes in your community is a great way to give back. Donating your books isn't always an easy thing to do. I get it. I love my books, but once I've read a book, and if I'm not going to go back and reference it again, I will gladly pass it on. I just want to let it go. I got the information and the knowledge, and I'm implementing that knowledge, and then I want to pass it on.